everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video we will see how to fix charging port not working on your Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Step 1 is we will check for the power adapter. So here you can see the which model am I using and is this really compatible with my laptop or not. You can see the model number as well here. So basically you need to check your power adapter and ensure that the power adapter is working correctly. So if it is possible, try using a different compatible adapter and check if the issue persists. Then inspect the charging port. So just turn around, remove the charger and check whether there are any debris or is it damaged or what, for any visible damage or debris in it. Then update the BIOS and drivers. So make sure that your BIOS and drivers are up to date. For that, we need to go to the Lenovo Vantage app. We will go to Lenovo Vantage app and check for any updates. So we will click on check for updates. So no updates available. So if there's some update, you will get update and just click on update. And then we will reinstall or update the battery drivers. So basically we will be clicking on the Windows and X together and then go to device manager. Click on device manager, then go to batteries. Click on the Microsoft AC adapter, double click or right click on it and update the driver. And then after that we will do a static discharge. So we'll close all the applications and then remove all the peripherals. So if it is connected to any charger, just remove it, or if it is connected to any USB, remove it and press the power button for around 30 to 40 seconds and ensure the device is switched off. So this should help you solve the problem of charging port not working on your Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Thank you for watching. If you think I helped you in some way, do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.